At school he was lacking, but he made it